presentation.
Let us move to the next speaker or next presentation entitled Development of Mechanized System for Production of Date Palm Jaggery Granules. It will be presented by Dr. Rao. Its ID is number 47. Please, Dr. Rao, the floor is yours.
Right, Dr. Rao, co-host. Okay, Dr. Rao, now you can unmute yourself and the floor is yours. You can also share your screen.
Is it visible, sir?
Perfect.
Am I audible?
Perfect.
Yeah. I am Dr. P.V.K. Jagannathara, working as a principal scientist and university head in Acharya Engineering Agriculture University, Andhra Pradesh in India. I am presenting paper on development of mechanism system for the production of date palm jaggery granules. My presentation details are introduction about the jaggery, date palms, and traditional practice of date palm jaggery preparation, benefits of granular jaggery and traditional method of preparation, development of jaggery granulated design details, testing of jaggery granulated, and includes experiment design, operation details, precision discussion, optimization of process parameters, and conclusion. I would like to explain regarding the jaggery. Jaggery is a sugar-rich food product, is produced all over the world under different names, such as Gur in India, Desi in Pakistan, Panela in Mexico and South America, jaggery in Burma and African countries, Akur in Sri Lanka, Panache in Philippines, Rabdora in Brazil, Namtan, Thailand. It is consumed directly, or used for preparation of sweet confection items and Ayurvedic or traditional medicines. Jaggery is being a natural product, bacteria intake can prevent atmospheric pollution related toxicity. India produces about 6 million tons of jaggery annually, which accounts 70% of the total production in the world, 65 to 70% of the jaggery from sugarcane, the remaining 30% is from palms. It is being prepared by consuming the sugarcane juice or sap collected from the palms. These are the main sources to prepare the jaggery. The sap obtained from palmyra palm is the major source to prepare the jaggery, followed by wild date palm and coconut palm and sago palm. And silver date palm is the main, it is a source. It is also known as a Kesar palm. It is one of the most important sugar producing plants in West Bengal in India. It grows naturally in fallow lands, pond banks, in agricultural fields. It is a primitive traditional village industry in India. Roughly estimated that 18 crores palm trees in India, 12.59 crores are available for tapping to get the sap. It is tapped during the winter months from the mid-November to end of the January. It is generally tapping will be during evening hours. Sap collection is done during the early morning hours to prepare the jaggery. These are the operations, traditional production practices to prepare the jaggery from date palm sap. First is collection of the sap in the early hours of the morning. That is followed by taking the sap into the rectangular aluminum pan, and that is being heated by using the traditional furnace. And during the boiling, that second one, they used to remove the scum time to time during the boiling process. And as soon as the concentration juice comes to 81 bricks and temperature is around 120 degrees, the end point is generally judged by taking the small electrode of the same hot mass and keep it in a contain water, and it shapes with the finger. If the ball is formed, it means that end pointing has been reached, so that immediately the pan will be removed and it is allowed for natural cooling. Then it is allowed for the molding process. These are the different shapes of the date palm jaggery. And it is almost very popular in West Bengal and followed by in Bangladesh also. With this pleasant aroma and flavor, it is very popular all over India for making various sweet dishes and confectionery products. It is available only short duration, as I told that And also the keeping quality is for maintaining the keeping quality, the moisture content of the soil from the jaggery should not exceed 6%. It is kept at a relative humidity of 43 to 61%. Jaggery is deteriorates fast because of it contains proteins and reducing sugars, and become liquid within 1 to 2 weeks due to moisture content in mud sugars and its hygroscopic nature. It is estimated that about 5 to 10% of the stored jaggery is normally spoiled every year, leading to colossal loss to the tune of 800 million rupees. Granular jaggery is a high demand product in India. The favorable conditions of the jaggery granules are it is a long shelf life up to 2 years, as it contains very low moisture content, 1 to 2% dry bases. It also contains 80 to 85 grams sucrose, 9 to 10 grams reducing sugars, 0.5 to 1.29 grams protein, 0.2 grams fat, and the remaining 0.6 to 1 gram total minerals. Mostly it contains calcium, phosphorus, and iron. And also easy handling and better packaging with high export potential, impressive domestic market, and develops unique taste as a sweetener and high value addition. These are the traditional practices of preparation of date palm jaggery granules. And as soon as it reaches the concentration of the juice comes to 81 bricks, then that will be taken out from the furnace and it is allowed for cooling. At the same time, the scrapping will be done with the help of the wooden or steel scrapers, so that it is converted into granules. Then it is allowed for drying, then finally sieving and packing. These are the traditional practices normally the farmers will do. And because it is a very it takes a lot of labor, at the same time it is a very slow process, unhygienic process, and labor intensive process. To overcome these problems, we developed one jaggery granulator to do the simultaneous cooling and scrapping of action to convert it into jaggery granules. It is vital operation, the preparation of granular jaggery. These are the components of the jaggery granulator. This is the main trough holding almost 20 kg of semi-solid mass of jaggery up to the height of 140 mm from the bottom, and also it contains the main shaft over which the 23 blades will be placed at an angle of 30 degrees centigrade and at a distance of 26 mm from blade to blade distance. And it is almost all operated with that will be operated with a handle, and although there is a chain and sprocket mechanism to operate this main shaft. And also the top blades normally initiate the action pushing the mass downward, whereas the bottom plates initiate the agitation almost upward direction, so that it is converted into granules. And there is a outlet at the bottom, 75 mm outlet, to remove the granules after completion. At the same time, there is a one jacket over at the bottom of the trough to circulate the cold water, because scrapping and cooling is a vital operation in this process. And also there is a stand will be provided so that for easy movement of the granulator. These are the components I explained, and this is the testing of the jaggery granulator. It is a collection of the juice and preparation of the concentrated juice around 81 bricks, and also checking the temperature TSS of juice during concentration, testing of the granulator, and independent parameters are moisture content of the sample, agitator speed of the granulator, and finally dependent parameters are mass mean diameter of the particles. And these are the design is CCRD. These are the independent parameters: moisture content, 5 levels of moisture content, 8.4 to 16.25 dry bases, and agitator speed, 5 levels of rotation speed, 48 to 132 RPM. Blades are rotated at fixed RPM for 15 minutes. Dependent parameter is the mass mean diameter of the particles. After completion of the granules, after preparation of the granules, the wet granules are allowed to dry up to moisture content of 1.5 to 2% and tray dryer at 50 degrees centigrade, 2 meters per second airflow rate. Particle size and mass mean diameter of the particles are determined. And these are the coded, these are the experiments, response surface, and 2 factorial design, and second order CCRD with the 2 variables, 5 layers of each variables. And these are the levels of the moisture content 8, 9, 12%, 15%, 16.5. These are the 31 to 149 is the acetate speed. And this is the operation of the granulator. The concentrated mass will be loaded loaded into the granulator. Then this is a granulator in operation and final stage of the granulation. And this is the graph showing the mass fraction of the granules retained on the sieves at the same time and at a sieve size microns. After the moisture and particle size distribution, it shows that if the moisture content if the moisture content increases from 12.5 to 16.5, there is a higher mass fraction of the granules retained on the sieve, more than 1400 microns and more than or equal to 1400 microns. And also the higher moisture content in the feed generated the bigger size particles. If the moisture content low, then 8.4 to 9.2, so that it generate the generate the particles having the less than 250 micron size particles. And there is a linear relation between the particle mean diameter and moisture content, so that when the moisture content is 8.4, then the particle size is 656 microns, and when the moisture content is 16.25, then it is almost it is generate the 1230 microns particles. And also when the moisture at fixed moisture content, if the RPM of the granulator is increased from 48 to 132 RPM, so that it generate the smaller size particles. If the 48 RPM, if the granulator is operated at 48 RPM, so that it is generate the bigger size, smaller size particles less than 250 and whereas if the granulator is operated, if the granulator is operated at 48 RPM, so that it will generate the bigger size particles greater than 1400 microns. If the granulator is operated at 132 RPM, so that it generate the particles having the less than or equal to 250 microns. And there is a relation between the operation speed and particle mass mean diameter, so that if the granulator is operated at 132 RPM, so that it generate the lower size of the particles, it is almost 700 microns. And if the acetate is operated at 48 RPM, so that it generate the bigger size particles 1300 microns. And then we optimize the process parameters. Finally, we get 1000 micron is obtained at feed moisture content of 9% moisture content in the feed, and the acetate is rotated at RPM of 76 RPM. This is the relation, so that you can generate the 1000 micron particle size of Jaggery granules. Thank you for the presentation. This is the final conclusions. A manual power operated granulator was developed, tested with the concentrated juice of date palm around 81 brix, and also the temperature is at 90 degrees centigrade. The moisture content feed and rotation of the blades has a considerable effect on particle size distribution in the final product of the Jaggery granules. And mass mean particle diameter varied linearly with the moisture content of the feed, yielding average size particles of 650 microns for the feed containing 8.4% moisture content, rotation speed of 120 RPM. And the mean particle sizes of 700 micron when the machine was operated at 132 RPM with the feed moisture content of 12% dry basis. The moisture content around 9% dB and the rotation speed of 76 RPM are found to be operated for the operation of the granulator. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Rao. It's really very interesting presentation. Do we have any question for Dr. Rao, please? So Ramzi?
No, no question.
We will move.
Okay, so to the if anyone doesn't have any questions, then we move to the next speaker, to our next last speaker. Yeah.